perfect for hobbyists, jewelers, crafters, and do-it-yourselfers. After 25 years in production, one of the most popular MicroLux saws ever offered has been re-engineered, making this already great saw better than ever. Packed with these new features: almost twice the stroke length, increased from 0.200 inches to 0.375 inches. Integrated blower device provides a clear view of your sawing line. Elbow-jointed overhead yoke arm provides easy, fast repositioning of material being sawn. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. Ideal for making complex interior cuts. Larger size side compartment with tool-less push-button removal mechanism. Improved vacuum port attachment design. Easier blade installation for quicker blade swaps. Large ergonomic knobs for repositioning on-board components. MicroLux Multi-Saw includes 6 premium blades, 2 fine and 2 medium blades for wood, plastic, and metals such as aluminum, brass, silver, gold, plus 2 coarse blades, primarily for wood cutting. Adjustable rip fence, 0 to 90 degree mitre gauge, 2 degrees Celsius style bench clamps for mounting the saw on work surfaces up to 1/7/8 inches thick. Assorted mounting screws, extra long hex key and setup instructions. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Made in Japan for MicroLux Multi-Saw features a 90-watt motor that runs on 110 volts AC household current. Number 2. Variable speed, 500 to 1,700 strokes per minute. Number 3. Overall size, 12 inches high by 13.5 inches wide by 19 inches deep. Number 4. Weight, 7 pounds. Table size, 6/4 inches by 6/4 inches. Cast aluminum with a smooth machine surface. Number 5. Multi-Saw cuts softwoods up to 2 inches thick, hardwood up to 0.5 inches thick, printed circuit boards, and non-ferrous metals up to 5/64 inches thick, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.